Medyo mahaba yung love scene, pero I think kailangan for Pride Month.
Correct. You met also Indigo Girls, they were there.
Yes, they were in the film.
Grabe.
They were in the film, grabe. And what an honor was to work beside them, to sing their songs. And that was the same year, we shot it the same year Barbie came out, so meron pa silang song dun sa Barbie. So it was a good year for the Indigo Girls. And sana mas makilala pa yung mga songs nila dito.
Yeah, Power of Two is, very popular here.
Yes, very popular. And sana mas makilala ng bagong generation.
True.
Kasi their lyrics talaga are...
And si Mother Ivy, Ming Na Wen. The Ming Na Wen.
May pa-message pa, may pa-video greet pa.
Yeah. What's your message for her?
Mama Bird, thank you so much for teaching me and for loving me, and I love you so much. And congratulations on Karate Kid, and thank you for paving the way for Asian actors like myself and yung mga susunod sa ipak natin.
Hey, we love her. Your message, invite your fans.
Everybody, please support Glitter and Doom June 5 in all Ayala cinemas nationwide. Supportan natin to this Pride Month so we can continue fighting for the rights of all of us as Filipinos this year.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. Ako na itawid, makakatulog na.
Thank you. Other questions lang. Ano yung favorite scene mo or dun sa movie na hindi ka makapag-spoil?
Favorite music,
part,
favorite song ko yung ginamit sa trailer, yung nasa truck ka mo. Yun talaga yung favorite.
Title.
World Falls. Kasi isa lang yung opportunity namin i-shoot nun kasi sunset na. So hindi pwedeng hindi makuha yung shot. So from video camera to like fake rain, tapos kahit cellphone ginagamit para lang makuha yung shot.
Magaling yung director. Fair.
Yes, magaling yung director talaga. Locations, diba? Magaling din.
It's shot in Mexico? Majority ba?
Yes, Mexico. Casted in LA, shot in Mexico. Yeah.
As an Asian actor, you brought the flag up.
Thank you.
You brought the leading role pa.
Yes, thank you. Para sa atin yan. So sana proud kayo lang.
Yeah, super proud. And Alex, how does it feel naman na halos back-to-back? Next week may fruitcake ka naman. Yung movies mo. You're from a long time na wala kang movie comeback ngayon, diba? Dalawang back-to-back pa.
It's my Bar Boys pa.
Yeah. So, galing mo din doon and congrats.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. I have to go to the
after party.
Yes.
Naghihintay na sila. But thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Just one last question na lang. Since, diba nauuso na yung mga collaboration?
Michael, last question na.
Last question. Nauuso na yung mga collaboration ngayon. Are you open to have a project with like sikat na love team like ngayon, Kim Pao, ganyan?
Yeah, for sure. Everything's on the table. Totoo. Yeah.
Wow. And what's next na lang to you?
What's next? Fruitcake, Bar Boys, The Rerun, and...
Wow, The Rerun.
Yeah, then Vacation. Pahinga.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Naghihintay yung sundo ko. Thank you.
Hindi na ako nag-speech. Nag-speech na talaga ako ngayon. I think this is a first of its kind for many reasons. Kasi, I mean, do we have to even say it? We're lacking in equal rights. Our laws are medyo archaic na. And even getting this film to be picked up was a challenge in itself. But I said, not just as a queer actor, but as a Filipino at the helm of this huge cast, I think this is not just a win for the queer community. It's for the queer community, but it's also a win for actors as a whole, Filipino talent, and for Ayala to pick us up. They didn't just pick us up; they actually. The words that Sir Butch, wherever Sir Butch is, thank you so much, Sir Butch from Solar Pictures Incorporated. Guys, can you give a big hand to Solar Pictures Incorporated? Sir Butch, he has been tirelessly working, as in, we have been on the phone 24/7. As in, para kami mag-best friends sa sobrang dami namin. Text exchanges. But for Ayala to pick it up, but not just pick it up, they were thrilled to have it. And they were the ones that wanted to get it across the Philippines. So somewhere in some province where there's not enough internet, for TikTok and shit like that, some kid is gonna see this film and he's gonna realize that it's okay to be gay. And yeah, and thank you. And I said this at the press screening. I said, you know, I didn't choose to have a mom that was so sexy that she attracted a white man and binuntis siya, tapos dinala siya sa Canada. Hindi ko pinili yun, di ba? I'm sorry, my mom is just, she's hot, okay? That was weird, but anyway. What I'm saying is, hindi bumabawas yan sa pagiging Pilipino ko. Buo pa rin yung pagka-Pilipino ko. Kakaiba lang yung kwento ko. And what I hope, you know, if you bring your straight friends to watch this, what I hope they take away from this is, you know, a lot of us here didn't choose the life that we have now. And we didn't choose to be LGBTQIA. It just fucking happened. And we might as well fucking enjoy it, right? But with that being said, hindi siya bumabawa sa pagka-Pilipino natin. Nilalagyan ng kakaibang kulay. So, you know, as members of the community, you know, people who enjoy... Hello? Ayan. Should I stop talking now? Are you good to go? Over 150 characters na natin. But yeah, where was I? Yeah, I hope that people that watch this, you know, people that enjoy rights, people that are privileged with freedom, and that never, you know, kasi marami sa atin, recently lang yung freedom natin and that's a freedom that every single day we fight for. So for people who don't have that same challenge, it's easy to kind of forget that we're all the same. And I hope when they watch this film, they realize that we are the fucking same. We're all Filipino, and that's what we should be fighting to protect. So, yes, thank you. And thank you for being here, and I hope that this film, you know, it gets so much attention because we need to push this into the mainstream, diba? So thank you to all the icons that are here tonight. Grabe. I had a speech prepared, pero mamaya na yan. Sige. Give it up for the baddest Salmonella!
Advanced screening of Glitter and Doom made possible by Solar Pictures, Ayala Cinemas, and MAM Media. Nandito tayo lahat again for the advanced screening ng Glitter and Doom. Syempre with our homegrown actor, please give it up for Alex Diaz!
Ito na, lalabas na ulit.
Ayan. Para hindi ka nila nakita.
Thank you, yan. Mga actors pala kayo lahat eh.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, acting challenge talaga ito.
Yeah.
And of course, we're very excited to watch your film. No, ang sabi dito sa sa content notes natin, Glitter and Doom is a captivating summer romance. Summer nga.
Yes.
Sakto naman. Hello? Yes!
Yes, hello!
Kaya natin ang walang mic! Yes. Alright, tutuloy ko lang ha. Hello. Ayan, meron na ulit.
Joke lang.
Para wala naman nagbago. So, it's a captivating summer romance set to the iconic hits of the Grammy Award-winning Indigo Girls. The film follows the enchanting journey of Glitter. Sino kaya si Glitter?
Kayata eh.
Ay, sakto lang. Glitter, played by our very own Alex Diaz, a carefree circus performer, and Doom, a struggling musician as they navigate a whirlwind summer of adventure and self-discovery. It's too much English. Hindi ko masyadong na-gets, pero parang na-excite ako dahil merong hint of the stories of queer people.
Yes.
Diba? So, I hope na pag napanood natin ito, mag-resonate ito sa mga stories natin, sa mga stories of queer people na hindi makapagkwento ng storya nila. And syempre, to the oppressed community, the straight community.
We send our condolences.
Joke lang din, just kidding.
You're welcome here.
Yes, they're welcome. And of course, sana mag-resonate din sila na, to understand more and appreciate more our community kasi yun lang naman ang habol natin. Tanggapin tayo, mahalin din tayo, katulad ng pagmamahal nila sa ibang tao. Tama?
Yes.
Tama, partner.
Tama. At no, dagdag ko lang guys, my director ng from Bar Boys, my director is here and he said, hindi lang tanggapin, kundi ipaglaban.
Yes!
Hindi ipaglaban.
Yes, and of course, we would like to thank our sponsors and partners for tonight, Kathy Valencia Clinic and Alfonso Brandy! Gusto niyo ba ng alak? Okay, paikot na natin ang shot! Ay, sorry, hindi pala pwede. Akala mo nasa bar ako. And of course, thank you din po sa MAM Media in partnership with Solar Pictures Incorporated, distributed exclusively by Ayala Mall Cinemas all across the Philippines this Pride Month. Maraming salamat po Ayala Malls and Solar Pictures for doing this for the queer community. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Alex State sponsor natin, Alfonso. Lahat kayo mayroong free shot lang ba?
Free bottle with
Free
300! Brandy. So everybody's going home with Alfonso Brandy. And then afterwards, meron tayong sponsored. Sasabihin ko na.
Go.
Tayong sponsored after party sa Dirty Daddy where we will bring the rest of the bottles. So if you guys want to drink, if you guys want to find your glitter or...
Doon pa lang after party, doon tayo mag-iinuman for kicking off Pride Month with this wonderful movie. Correct? Tama! Kaya naman, ngayon ka naman mag-speech or after the movie? May choice ka.
After na lang.
After. Sige. So we'll hear the prepared by heart.
Parang tapos na eh. Parang nasabi ko na yung gusto ko sabihin.
Pero feeling ko may masasabi ka pa later when we already watch the movie at naka-connect at naka-relate kami sa movie. Tama?
Yan. Kwentuhan na lang tayo. Kwentong lasing na lang dun sa Dirty Daddy.
Parang feeling ko magpapaikot ka nga ng Alfonso mamaya eh.
Habang nanonood sila.
Andiyan naman si
paligid
Sasa.
na siya.
Andiyan si Sasa girl, yung tanggera natin ngayon. Sasa is here, everybody! Of course, yung Direct Rod, hi! Sino pa ba yung mga friends natin? I saw Ina Evans!
Over there. Chrissy Achino, hello!
Chrissy Achino is there! Nicolo Cosme of Red Whistle, thank you so much!
Yes, thank you so much Red Whistle, Love Yourself, and Red Cross for being here. Guys, ngayong Pride Month, get tested. Get tested, go on prep, and have a rodeo, a good time. Rodeo.
Yes, rodeo? Ganun talaga, And of course, syempre meron tayong surprise for everybody, We have a very special greeting. Kaya na ba yung greeting natin?
Kaya na ba yung greeting?
Oo. Mukhang may greeting si President BBM ata sa atin tonight. Charing! Meron ba? Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala si BBM yung may greeting. Charis! Parang feeling ko, di ako makakalabas ng buhay ng Ayala mo. Diyos ko. O hindi. Makakalabas tayong buhay. Kaso, nasa stick nga lang. Tapos may mansana sa ano. Meron tayong special greeting from after. Pwede na mag-start.
Okay na, mag-start na tayo.
Parang ayaw nyo pa. Are you ready to watch our Glitter and Tube tonight? Ay, mahina pa. Parang di naririnig ng kasi tech. Yes! So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy our queer story, Glitter and Doom.
Parang may kinakatawa.